Good morning, guys! So today I'm here at Stampede and it's currently 11 a.m. There's a lot of people right now because there's a free admission from 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. So everyone is rushing to get in. It is now 11:05 a.m. and I finally made it inside. Now I have to go stampeding by myself, lol. I'm now meeting up with my friends. This is gonna be our first stampeding together, so we're excited.
Guys, the video. For the vlog.
I'm so hungry.
Mama Mos are in stampede.
Wow, what is this? Oh my gosh, ano to? Ang ganda, pinintahan lang nila, girl. Brown yan last year eh. Pero ang ganda, no?
Oo nga, di ba parang bronze
Brown
or
yan,
something,
oo. Parang against the light. Ano ba yan?
Guys,
Gutom na ako.
we can have breakfast tayo. Nagkita-kita lang kami dito, guys, actually. Wow!
Yeah. Oh my gosh, I didn't know you were here. Oh it's so nice bumping into you. So unplanned. Like, mag-video ka, mag-edit ka.
Oh, again. Oo po, ma'am. Yung tour guide natin.
Halika, let's go guys.
Tour guide. Tour guide, naiiwan mo kami.
Kayo ba?
Ano po, Dora, where we going?
We are going to one of the best foods. Midway food.
Saan?
Ako naman si TikToker. Aray na.
Arat!
Mama ngayon, dapat mag-short tayo. Okay, nakaganto naman ako.
Ang cute ng outfit mo, mama. You're like a doll.
Kaya nga eh.
Baby doll.
Mama, hindi. Bagay to kay Kaya. Hindi kasi ano ako. Kaya gusto ko to. Okay, pili na kayo mga suki. May California, may mango, may spicy salmon, may tuna, may salmon. At may dynamite. Arat na!
Arat na!
Mama, anong pagkain dito? Gusto mo ba to? Gusto lang na feature eh. Guys,
Sarap
minsan
to eh.
lang tayo gumastos. So,
Let's plan it well.
dalawang ganyan, share. Oh my gosh,
Ay.
I want 3.
Ah!
Sige, share na lang tayo. Uy!
So, ito po ang unang kain namin here. It's gonna be hanky. May rice. Kasi po, gusto ng isa dyan may rice.
Patay gutom. Alam niyo ba may dog bowl?
Dog ano?
Dog bowl. Ano yun? What? Exhibition ng mga aso.
Dog show.
Oo, dog bowl. Ano yun?
Ano yung
Dog
sabi?
bowl yun tawag. Ayun pala tawag doon. Alam kayo?
Sabi ko, ha? Bowl ng dog? Ha?
Tagal ko hindi nakakanood ng dog show.
Panoorin mo na lang si Nakoda Kosher.
Sige, lagay mo na yan.
So, Shalo, galing pang Japan, guys. From Japan.
Sunscreen.
Watery yan.
Where are you gonna put it?
Watery.
I'm sorry.
Dami.
Ay, maraming sorry. Hala, mama! It's very watery, guys. Guys, it's very watery. Guys, it's very watery. There's a lot! Guys, alam nyo ba? Napaso ako, oh. Guys, napaso ako. Oh my gosh! Oh, I'm so sorry. Lagyan mo ng ano. Lagyan natin ng ano. So, I put sunscreen on the face. Okay, i-spread natin sa may mga boobs. Salamat, mama. Oh my gosh. You have to use sunscreen. What is?
Magbe-beach ka, girl.
Guys, mag-swimsuit yan mamaya. Tatanggalin niya yung outfit niya mamaya.
Oh my God.
Ano?
First meal of the day.
Harap natin.
Saan tayo? Should we pila for...
For drink?
Pila na tayo sa iba. Where are we gonna go? Kasi ang maba yung sa sushi, mama. Tingnan mo.
Mamaya na lang.
Anong next? Very tita tayo, guys.
Very tita. Naka-tita era tayo. Kasi tayo mga teenager.
Mamaya mag-bingo tayo, guys.
Wow! It's okay. Mamaya yung halo-halo birthday. Uy! Oh, tig-isa tayo? Oo, feeling ko
Problema.
Hindi may problema kasi baka meron tayong crisis na pinag-uusapan ngayon. Number 2?
Maintenance. Super.
Yung maintenance ng tita nyo. Hindi niya nadala. Magtapakan natin. Iganon natin.
Ano yan? May nagsashine for us.
Dali, go ahead. Bakit naman ako? Nag-i-stretch ako. Wait lang. Nag-i-stretch ako. Wait lang, ang sakit ng ano ko. Ay, mga pa-obvious tong mga to. Habay. Model.
Wow! Uy, may cornflakes. Wow. Thank you! Mama! Oh my God, let's go.
Uy, pahiram ng video kasi
Are you guys ready? I'm ready.
gutom na ako.
Saan tayo pwesto?
May ang daming sangkap.
Parang ito talaga inuna natin, ano? Strap? Kain na po, guys. Yeah.
Wala tayong magawa kundi mag-video.
Oh my God!
I love it!
Breakfast.
Breakfast. Hello. Mga vlogger naman kasama. Wow, paano? So number 1 ito.
Kala mo talaga naintindihan yung mapa eh.
Elbow River Cup to eh. Ayan o.
Mama Q lang nakakaintindi ng map.
So malapit na tayo.
Oh, halika na. Saddle Dome kasi to, di ba?
Wow, ang daming alam oh. Paano?
Guys.
Sobrang busy naman.
Galing namin, Dora. And the map.
I'm the map. I'm the map.
What's up, Stampede? Who's ready to go for a ride? You guys ready? Play. Go win Action Sports with all of the attack mode. And all over.
Paano?
All over those video games you guys been playing. That's a big Make some noise. For Kyron. Let's say hello to Darren Wright. To Cody Madison. Check out Jeremy. Yes, Cody Madison.
Videographer. Wow! How many minutes ang pila mo for that? 30, 40 minutes?
Half an hour.
Hi! Cheer up! Dito po kami, we're gonna order tteokbokki with a drink and that one. Oh, yung ganda. Ganda ng number.
Sarap.
A69. Akin na. Kaya ba?
May isang gusto nyo lang. Should I ask? This is
Haha.
Makakapatay ko.
Mga patay gutom.
Tapos sa homemade eh. Ewan ko lang dito.
Masarap. Anything for flan. How is it? How's it? How's it? Sarap guys, oh. Sarap. Ah.
Let's do a taste. This is not
California.
this one.
Whatever.
You gotta make sure you have all good outfits for the 10 days.
Wow, feel na.
That is just what it is. If you can hear my voice on stage,
I have no
you look so fine, young ladies.
Lilipad.
But we are
Okay, let's do the mango. What is it?
the mango paradise.
Wow. Taste test.
Are you ready?
Ready.
I'm speechless.
Wow.
Masarap, mama.
Your turn, Mama.
Oo. So good.
Kunwari ano, mahinhin. Sarap guys. Sarap no? Wala pa nga eh.
Wala pa nga eh. Big bite. Sarap.
This is the dynamite. Ito yung dynamite, mama.
Ate Dinah.
This is, hi, Ate Dynamite.
This is you.
How is it?
Dinah, this is you. Sarap naman.
How is it?
So good. I love this one.
Really? Out of the three, which one you like?
First, second is California. Third is mango paradise.
Yum!
Mama. Umaambon na guys, pero kumakain pa din kami.
May sombrero kami, okay lang. Mga cowboy kami.
How do you
Cowboy
like it,
puro.
Mama? Rate it. Oh, it has egg. Ano, oh?
Oh?
Oh!
Fish egg.
What is that?
Hindi ko na video.
Sorry nga. Sorry.
Ano yun?
Nakuha ko yung kagat ko, oh.
Yung?
Ito.
Kagatin mo na.
Sarap.
Okay lang.
I like this
Okay,
one.
Mama.
Dynamite.
Use the dynamite. Ate Dinah, hello.
This is tempura and avocado and I don't know what else.
Yes. It has fish eggs too. How do you like it? Is this your 1, 2, or 3?
This is my first.
Yeah, same. Ikaw, Mama.
Parang gusto ko yung California, yung una.
You want one? Ito yung 2 mo. Or the other one.
Ito yan.
It's so good.
Right?
Mayaman talaga. Libre niya.
Thank you. Thank you, Mama.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you so much.
Saan ka nang galing, Mama?
Girl, Frankenstein.
Ayan na, back charm. Back charm. Tingnan mo. Cutie. Mas malaki pa yung bag charm eh. After mag-stampede. Ganyan na after mag-stampede. Kawawa ka na.
Sawa ka naman. Nasaan na yung ano, yung coin mo kanina?
Ay, ayaw, nandito yung coin ko. Teka.
Bigyan mo nga ako.
Bibigyan ka namin, huwag kang
Bigyan mo ako,
mag-alala.
naka-birthday ka. Di ba?
Mama, ready?
Ready. Ready.
Ready na.
Wawa naman.
Dime.
Wawa naman oh. Taong grasa na siya oh. Oh, yan din pagkain para di ka magutom ha. Sa'yo na yung drinks namin. God bless you.
Ginawa niya akong pulong.
Cowboy boots pa mo. Nakakainis. Balik ko naman nakakahiya naman. Isa pa. Sakit talaga.
Ano,
Maganda kayo dapat.
stampede pa more.
Tumatanda na tayo. Masakit talaga. Parang may bato dito.
Lights na tayo, mama.
Yeah.
Anong gusto mong lights? May black kasi.
Sige. Ano yung tissue mo dyan?
Ito. Para maitamo na. Walang tissue eh. Napaka-ghetto talaga.
Hoy, very smart ka doon.
Queen's house is around the corner. So, today's vlog is Queen's tour. Queen's house tour. Oh, house tour! Investigation.
Yan yung mga bisita ko, guys.
Oh my gosh.
Ang dami kong friends.
May pagkain ba?
Yes. May pag-gathering.
I love. Tadobo. Nasa Disneyland tayo, mag-ano ng ride.
Rides. Ito ang tour guide para sa bahay ko, guys. Enjoy nyo na, enjoy.
Yan lang naman ang first room.
First room. Uy, wow.
I know, ang ganda.
1 year supply ng tubig.
I know, di ba? Anong gusto nyo? Ay, sorry, hindi ako naka-grocery. Let's go. Halika. Sorry, makala. May stampede. Hindi ka na naman naglaba.
I know, nalimutan ko, guys. Nag-stampede kasi tayo.
is on display, highlighted by striking black and gold fixtures.
Oh, sige.
Glamorous statement lighting, elegant porcelain finishes.
What do you want?
Mojito, please. Tapos na.
So this is your view.
Ito ang view natin, guys.
Stampede grounds. Let's do a taste test. Yummers.
Kung crunchy talaga, yung ano.
I feel like it's not.
Kakaipi?
Hindi masyadong filled with chocolate, no?
Hindi nga.
Parang tinipid yarn. I know.
There's not a lot of chocolate. See?
Wow.
Okay, let's do a taste test. 1 second.
I love. You like
More
it?
chocolate.
1 out of 10. 1 to 10.
Maybe a 5. I need more chocolate.
Yeah, same.
Tignan natin kung sinong mananalo.
Tignan natin kung sino magaling mag-shoot.
Yay! We won! Ayan na ang price nyo, guys, ha?
Sige. Mama, harap ka. Backward walking kayo. Dali.
Game.
Den, 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 den. Ay, graduation pa rin.
Ten, ten, ten. You may now kiss the bride. EJ, did you say Yahoo? Huh? Yahoo? Stampede, anak. Nag-i-stampede ka, oh.